still look a hot mess. It is currently, I think, like 6 something in the morning. We actually just got back from South Carolina. We left at like midnight or like 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're tired. Now we're back at home for a brief moment because we have to drop the boys off with my mom. And then we're going up to Maryland right after we drop them off. Because I have a client up there too. Guys, I'm so tired. This is the life of a makeup artist and I can't complain, but I'm so tired. But I'm gonna finish getting dressed in something comfortable. And this thing is so soft. I will see you guys soon. We are dressed. I'm just going to be doing my last rounds in the house to make sure I didn't forget anything. Luckily, everything was pretty much already packed up. We just had to change out our wardrobe. So yeah, just going to make sure all the doors are locked and we're not leaving nothing behind. Which I don't think we are anyway. But we are going to be on our way to Maryland now. And we're going to get in the car. Alright, hi guys. I just woke up from a nap. I'm so tired. My husband's retired talking about some. Now we got some stars under it because of my headband. But we are about, oh shit, we're not even close to Maryland. We still got like an hour and some change. I had to take a nap because I was so tired. I'm just looking for more clients. Hopefully I can meet some more people in Maryland so I can do their makeup. But I feel like this has been a long weekend. I feel like we left at 12 midnight on Friday. Then we were so tired after like, I don't even know, like an hour on the road. Just for the reason we were just really tired. And we stopped twice. First time, I think we stopped for like 30 minutes, 35 maybe. And the second time I had to tell my husband again because I just know he was really tired. And I think we ended up stopping for like 2 or 3 hours.
Let's do this shit. We put the police right here.
Oh.
I didn't throw my jean jacket in my bag.
Y'all was at the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
By the time I realized we were already outside
in the garage?
Already outside the neighborhood. I feel like turning back around. Fucking Mandarin.
I feel like a tourist. They just sitting out here. I guess it's like a story time in there for kids.
Yeah.
Mrs. Claus. They got Santa's souvenir photo. Oh, we gotta bring the boys here. Even if we don't stay in here. This snow factor is cute. Oh, that's nice. It's a long line to get on it too. Oh, it's got a whole bunch of ornaments and stuff in here. It's so cute. Oh, they put a buffet out there. Did they take the restaurant out? think they might take the restaurant out. Getting bumper cars. Yeah, they put on the shows in there. It's just food out. Is there like a waterfall in there or something?
Yeah, it's the award feature in there.
Okay.
That's amazing. We take a fucking back.
Yeah, I got our hotel rooms up there. I would just sit here all day. Alright guys, so I just showered and I'm pretty much winding down for the night. I actually have like a whole haul for you guys. I'm not going to tell you where it's from, but I got a whole clothing haul for you guys coming soon. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my frontal, guys. I need to lay it back down. I mean, it don't look bad, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff from this place and you guys are gonna love it. So I got a fashion haul coming for you guys. Not gonna tell you what, but it's coming. This top is from there and I just have on some black sweatpants. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at the black sweatpants. Like I said, I just got out the shower, so I'm just winding down. My husband went to go get Chinese food, so we're gonna eat that. And just watch movies and cuddle because the boys are with my mom and my sister, so we can get some alone time. But your girl is tired. I feel like I haven't slept in days. Like, if this is what the life of a traveling makeup artist is, I'm here for it. But your girl is also very, very, very tired. This robe is also from there. Let me put you down because I want to put my hood on.
You have 3 burgers. You share them, you eat all 3. No, I'm eating them all.
It has little ears, isn't it so cute?
The burgers you make at your house? Yeah,
So
we can share that. That's no problem. Sonic garlic butter bacon burger. What if I'm hungry? Absolutely not.
So I'm going to close it up because I'm trying to get cozy.
Severe rheumatoid arthritis and take it on with Rinvoq.
But yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff from here. It's really like a winter clothing haul. I don't know if y'all know, but houndstooth is really in right now. So I found a dress that is so cute. And in the school I went to, that's all they had was houndstooth. But I got something for you guys. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, this robe is so soft. Like, it just feels like I'm being cuddled by a cloud. It just, so you know, nice and cuddly. My little outfit for the night. I'm gonna show you guys my food when my hubby gets back. I'm gonna lay on the couch and probably get some sleep. I don't know. I'm not too sure right now. I need to get a tripod for when I'm recording because having to constantly hold this thing is annoying. And I feel like it's blurry right now.
This Black Friday, do you want a TV?
I don't know why it was like that. Is it zoomed in or am I just like hella
Or
close?
do you want the place on the TV?
There we go. I just feel like I was really, really close. Like, I feel like you might be able to see me better now when I step away.
It's coming from behind the medicine cabinet, so she looks behind it and guess what she found?
And it's some double for you guys. Okay, so fun fact about me, guys. You're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I don't care. And if I put a phobia on you after this, I'm so sorry. So I am a huge germaphobe. Huge germaphobe. I don't care how clean your hotel is, unless I see you pull this blanket out the bag myself. And I don't mean like, oh, like this bag has been ran through, like you've been unzipping it for multiple people. If this bag don't look vacuum sealed and I pull out this blanket myself or see you do it, I'm not sleeping on your blankets, because I just feel like that is disgusting. Because you know how many people sleep in these hotel beds? Do you know what they do in these beds? When I say take a black light, so disgusting. I know people are like, why do you stay in a hotel anyway? Well, I mean, because Airbnbs are just about the same too. Like, don't get me wrong, I know people could be clean, especially around now, like with COVID or whatever, but I just can't do it. Like, I have to bring my own blankets and my own pillows in order for me to feel comfortable. Otherwise, I'm going to sleep on my husband, or I'm going to sleep in all of my clothes so nothing touches me. Because if the bed touches me, I'm going to have a fit. That was fast. Babe's back with the food.
Yeah, it's quite literally come out the door and it's on the other side of the street.
Okay.
And stream the latest episodes now.
Folks, I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you.
I like that camera set up right there.
My son is up there.
You leave, we can't let you back in.
Camera set up right where?
I said I like that camera set up right there.
I got ears.
Watch the latest episodes on Sci-Fi on Demand.
This
It smells delicious.
Thank you. You can eat our food. Can wait until after you get out the shower though.
It smells delicious.
What's you working out there? Eat one of those good fruits.
You're supposed to eat one of those real good sleeps.
Eat the food. Wait, did we get anything to drink?
I go grab some downstairs.
I know, I'm gonna drink up some of this glass water. Probably get some ice. That shower is really nice. I'm tired. I'm gonna fight that keep going on so open.
Go ahead, start eating.
I'm waiting.
Go ahead, start eating. I wrote it down. Let's finish. Put this.
Well, we gotta watch movies together.
Kiss ain't good to me.
We gotta watch movies together.
You like the cranberry juice so I can enjoy something?
I got apple juice.
It might.
Apple juice is fine.
It's not.
Cranberry juice is fine. Oh, I'll grab it. Never mind. Instead of the ice. Okay. General Tso's chicken and some rice. Is there duck sauce in here? If it ain't duck sauce, I don't want it. I don't think we got any duck sauce. Tragic. I need to do better like my sister. She eat with chopsticks. I feel like that might make it taste better. My fork. I'm gonna eat my food. So the room came with some glass water. I want some so bad. I'm about to hydrate. I'm gonna eat my food with my hubby. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Yeah, go for and eat, watch John Wick, and fall asleep and do other things this morning.